Hi, my name is Irfan Awad, your English teacher. Today I have come again for you having a new video based on active and passive voice in past perfect tense. In this video we will learn how to convert active into the passive or passive into the active, passive into the active. And now you can see on the board how I have written some kind of the sentences for you. The first sentence I have written, he had completed his work. According to the structure you see, had and been is used in past perfect and passive voice. When active voice we use had and third form. Only one helping verb is used in this kind of tense. So see, he had completed his work. He, the helping verb had he has been used. This is a helping verb had, which shows past, and after that we use past participle, that is third form. When you see two things at the same time together, it means that this sentence belongs to past perfect actor, and his work is a object here, and he is a subject. According to the rule, subject move to the object place and object comes to the subject place. So his work at the object, it will come at the start. Now you see his work, helping verb is the same, had, but been will be added with it. What is the been? Been is the third form of be. The first form was were third second form, and been is the third form. So been can be helpful when you do not have the third form to be used, and then after that completed is on original form. So we need two third form in passive voice, that is perfect. One for the passive voice and second for the past perfect. So here you can see his work had been completed. His work has come at the start, had the same helping verb, been is used, completed by him because it is a he is written here. When it comes here, it becomes him. So it becomes him. The second tense is he had not completed his work. This is a negative. His work had not been. Had and been, we are using only add between of it, and then completed by him. His work had not been completed by him. So second and third sentences, this is a question here because had comes before the subject. Had he completed his work? Had. So the same case will be applied here. Had will come before the subject, his work, and been completed by him. This is a passive voice. Had and been and completed tells us that this sentence belongs to past perfect, passive voice, and question because had has come before the subject. The last one, how had he completed his work? This is also a question. You will have to see the two things, had and completed. These two words tells us that this sentence past perfect active. So how to change to passive? We will be writing how again. Had and his work will come at the place of subject, and been completed and by him will be at the end. So in this video you have seen that how we have converted active into the passive. When you have to change passive into active, so you will have to first of all you will cancel by and been. First of all, by and been will be cancelled, so him will become he, and we will be using the same helping verb. Completed will come here, and his work will be coming at the end. So this is the way how to convert into passive into active. So in this video, students, you definitely must have learned about the active and passive of past perfect tense. Thank you so much for being with me. Stay home, stay safe.